Hello fellow machinists, it's Tim from Xometry again with the second in a series of how to improve your machine shop business. So today we're going to talk about marketing. Most of this, I've read in several places and then implemented and know that it works. So the things I'm telling you are proven. We want to do simple marketing with quick return on our investment. So we're going to focus on direct response marketing. Things have changed over the last 2 decades. Used to pay for an expensive yellow page ad, maybe in the next county to get that business, put a magnet on your truck, and that was your marketing. Today though, we need to reach the whole nation. A great way to do that and have traceability is through direct response marketing, where you use a social media site and you know exactly where you get your leads from, where you get your customers from. So you don't have to waste time with the ones that you don't get responses from or doesn't work for your business. So the first thing we need to do is create a website. And it's important to remember your social links and your website aren't supposed to be integrated with your personal stuff. You need separate social media for your company. Today you can get websites created fairly cheap, or you can create it yourself with some very interactive tools. So after your website's created, the first and most important thing is search engines. As long as your site's updated, you can get them on search engines for free. Then you use that website to apply it to your social media outlet. For example, you created an Instagram for your company. You're following all these companies or buyers and stuff that are following you back, so all of their friends see it also. Offer editorials on there sometimes, and you keep constantly posting stuff. You do this also with Facebook, you do it with Twitter, all the social media outlets that you could possibly think of. Just do it because it's free, it costs you nothing, and you'll get results. LinkedIn's a very important one. You get to contact thousands and thousands of businesses that you wouldn't have otherwise been able to. Once you've got that going, again, it's got traceability. You can see where most of your leads are coming from, and you can focus on that. If LinkedIn is giving you more leads, focus on LinkedIn. Do something on Instagram and Facebook occasionally, but don't focus on it. Remember to include pictures of your work. You want to grab the attention of the potential customer. So if you do a very complex part that doesn't have a non-disclosure sign, take the picture, put it on your website, put it on Facebook, put it on LinkedIn. Include some tips on how to design parts like that. You want people to read your editorial, click on your website. Those are the things that'll get you the business that you're looking for. So we want to take the potential customers on a journey. So in the beginning, we want to entice the potential customers to give us their information and let us be able to contact them. We need to be sure that it targets your specific niche or your specific potential customers. In the beginning, offer some value in the editorial that you're offering. This is the time when you're trying to win somebody's trust by giving them knowledge that they know. If you know what you're talking about. So then we've got the middle. Basically the middle is contact. Call them weekly, email them, you send them mailers. Sometimes it takes 5, 10 times reaching out to somebody. Especially in this business, you're gonna call or email at a time that they need you. And when that happens, you got a customer. Remember, we want to take these guys from knowing nothing about our company to being a huge fan of us and what we do. But during this process, you want to offer solutions for what you know their issues are. If you know they have problem with turn parts, concentric parts, holding tight tolerance, but your niche is that, we want to offer that. We want to offer 2 pieces free or 2 pieces discounted. Whatever the case may be, you come up with what you think is a good idea. Your idea for your market's going to be better than my idea for your market. Now we're at the end, which really there's no end. We're going to call it the after. After you've got the potential customer, you keep with the contact, keep offering, and what you're creating is a loyalty. You're creating a trust in what you do. And what happens when you create this loyalty and trust? Referrals to other companies, repeat business, and you get to upsell within that company. Most companies have 20, 50 buyers. So if any of this you got questions about, email me. It's tbowman@xometry.com. I'm here to help. So until we see each other again, keep making quality parts.